have the...
Oh, that beef's gonna look good.
There's the meat. And it's still browned, even though, well, the bottom may or may not be browned underneath.
Well,
but
why would it be unbrowned?
I don't know.
Yeah, that your parents got us from somewhere fancy.
Alaska. It says it on the handle.
Oh, no.
So I've been cutting up. We boiled. Just totally put my thumb in the mayo. Anyway, we've boiled a bunch of eggs. They're kind of brown.
That's
we
super
did them
funny.
in the Instant Pot. I don't care. They still taste fine. Mm-hmm. Anyway, so I've been cutting up eggs, just using an egg slicer. It's actually been working really well. So I just do it, and I have to put it that way so that it catches
And then it catches it twice, and it's just
don't.
perfect.
That's it.
And look at all the waste you have. Like, that's a ton of eggs you cut, and that's not very much waste.
Yeah, well, and it's... Just pick it up and toss it there.
Yeah, that's good.
I finished the vegetables. That's all done. I got the beef with the sauce reducing, and here's the half of the roast that I'm saving for day 6, I think it is. I just, it wasn't reducing as fast as I wanted, so I threw some of the beef soup base in. Holy cow, that thickened up like a dream. So over there, we've got Watch Autumn Keto going. She's doing her live stream. But yeah, this is pretty much done, so I think we're going to be eating dinner now. Here we've got the cauliflower that's been cooked in the pan.
Kate thought it was chicken.
Kate thought it was chicken. And here is the beef. I did, well, like I said in the last video, I did add some of the Keto Chow beef soup base to thicken up the sauce. It was starting to reduce already, but it really reduced when I added that. So, and then we got all sorts of stuff that Marion put together. And disgusting cucumbers. Gross.
Yum.